Welcome back to the Basics Hub. Our smartphones are powerful tools that can simplify our lives, but are you using yours to its full potential? In today's video, we'll share essential tech hacks to help you get the most out of your smartphone. From optimizing your settings to using handy apps, let's dive into these tips that will elevate your smartphone experience. In today's digital age, we're all glued to our smartphones, using them for everything from social media to online banking. But let's be real, sometimes they can be super frustrating, right? That's why I want to share with you some epic tech hacks that'll take your smartphone game to the next level. We've all been there. Our phones are draining battery like crazy, they're slow, or our apps are all over the place. It's like you're trying to get something done, but your phone is just not cooperating. I mean, who hasn't experienced that feeling of panic when you're trying to quickly respond to a text or check your email, and your phone is just stuck on a loading screen? And organization, oh man, it's a whole different story. You've got apps scattered all over the place, you can't find what you need, and it's just a hot mess. It's like you've got 10 different apps for different things, and you're just scrolling through trying to find that one specific one. But what if I told you there's a way to fix all these issues? What if you could optimize your phone for maximum battery life, organize your apps in a way that makes sense, and even uncover some hidden features you never knew existed? Stay tuned, because I'm about to share with you some tech hacks that'll change the way you use your smartphone forever. From tweaking your settings to get the most out of your battery, to utilizing some amazing hidden features, I've got you covered. First, let's talk about organizing your home screen. A cluttered home screen can lead to frustration and wasted time. By keeping only your most used apps visible, you'll streamline your access to what you need. Group similar apps into folders like productivity or social media. Remove any apps you rarely use to declutter your screen. This simple hack can significantly improve your efficiency. Next up, let's optimize your schedule using calendar apps. Whether you use Google Calendar or Apple Calendar, these tools can help you stay organized and on top of your commitments. Add all your important dates, deadlines, and appointments. Set reminders for each event so you never miss a meeting or class. You can even color code events to differentiate between personal and academic commitments. Don't forget to sync your calendar across all your devices. This way you can access your schedule anytime, anywhere. Are you finding it hard to concentrate because of distracting apps? Let's tackle that by blocking or limiting access to these apps during study or work hours. Most smartphones have a focus mode or do not disturb feature. Use this to temporarily block distracting notifications from social media or games while you're working. You can also set daily limits for specific apps. This will help you manage your time better and reduce unnecessary distractions. Voice commands can be a game changer for efficiency. Whether you're driving, cooking, or just busy, using voice commands can help you multitask effectively. Activate your voice assistant by saying, "Hey Siri" or "OK Google." You can send texts, set reminders, check the weather, and even control smart home devices, all hands-free. Explore your voice assistant settings to create custom commands for frequently used tasks. This will save you time and make your smartphone even more convenient. Battery life is crucial for smartphone usability. Let's discuss some tips to help you manage and extend your battery life. Enable battery saver mode during low battery situations. This will limit background activity and notifications, helping your phone last longer. Regularly check your battery usage settings to see which apps are draining your battery. Consider uninstalling or limiting usage of those apps to preserve battery life. One of the most impactful hacks I've discovered is using a feature called dark mode on your phone. It's like you're saving battery life without even realizing it, and it's just a total game changer. I mean, who wouldn't want to get an extra hour or two of battery life just by changing the way their phone looks? Another hack that's totally underrated is customizing your notification shade. You can literally tailor your notifications to show you only what you need to see, and it's like a whole new level of organization. I mean, no more annoying notifications from apps you never use, and no more scrolling through a million different options just to find what you need. And let's not forget about app organization. I've discovered this amazing trick where you can create little folders on your home screen, and it's like you can find what you need in seconds. No more scrolling through pages and pages of apps or searching for that one specific app you need. Today, we've shared some fantastic tech hacks to help you get the most out of your smartphone. From organizing your home screen to utilizing voice commands and managing battery life, these tips will enhance your smartphone experience. If you found these tips helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the Basics Hub for more tech advice. What smartphone hacks do you use? Let us know in the comments below. Happy optimizing!